Hi, y'all. By now, you've surely heard the headlines. The booming private credit market keeps finding fraudulent cockroaches, according to our friend and case topic, Jamie Dimon. Creditors and investors are finding duplicate loans as collateral and filing double pledge lawsuits. Where there's one, there's certainly more. Hence, digital solution via blockchain. This is really just a case of 1990s plumbing and record keeping. If our class has taught us anything, it's that digitizing and tokenization creates a clear source of record. Clearblock, or the acronym CLEAR, Collateral Ledger for Energy and Asset Records, is the digital exterminator. One shared ledger, no admin, nowhere for a loan to scurry through twice. Given the focus of my ABS fund, I wanted to look into tackling double pledging in both solar and home improvement finance. So here's the problem. When you finance solar panels or a new HVAC system, that loan gets sold and resold, passing through 6 to 10 companies before it reaches investors. Each company keeps its own database. Nobody shares in real time. Sound familiar? This year, Tricolor went bankrupt. Out of 70,000 loans, 29,000 were recorded twice, sold to two different sets of buyers. Both paid for it. The borrowers were fine. The loans were fine. It was the record keeping that was broken. This isn't a one-off. It's surely systemic across every multi-party loan pipeline. So we're focused on two markets: solar, which is a 50 billion annual market, and home improvement, which is projected with everyone locked in their homes at 500 billion annually. Solar and home improvement share the same handoffs, so the same coordination failure repeats. These aren't credit failures. They're data coordination failures, and it's blockchain that solves them. So the obvious question is, why not just build a shared database? If it's bank hosted, competitors won't share. If it's vendor hosted, you get counterparty risk. If it's government hosted, unless they are contracting SOCAT, it's going to be slow and you're going to have privacy issues. A normal database needs an administrator. In this industry, nobody really trusts anyone enough to be that administrator. So blockchain removes that admin. Every company runs their own copy. Changes get copied to everyone. You can't edit history without everyone seeing it. That's the whole value proposition, a shared list where no single company has the keys. In this solution of Clear, we use Hyperledger Fabric. This is an open source code or open source platform from the Linux Foundation. It's not cryptocurrency and it's not mining. It's just a shared record keeping for businesses. Every major party runs a node: lenders, servicers, trustees. It uses the layer 2 Ethereum network, but it doesn't need to take kind of the cryptocurrency FX currency risk. It can use stable coins just like everything else so that people are using native US dollar. Here's the actual flow. Every loan follows the same path. In the application, you go through the credit check and the loan terms are verified. The installation, the contractor is assigned, and the equipment ordered. In the inspection, there's photos, GPS coordinates, serial numbers, permits. On closing, you have your warranty registered, your lien filed, it's pledged to a warehouse and eventually securitized. The critical rule: you cannot advance to the next stage without the previous stage verified on-chain. No shortcuts, no exceptions. If the permit isn't recorded, you can't pledge the loan. It's as simple as that. 6 different modules handle the life cycle, each tied to a stage. Installation verification. This is time-stamped, photos, GPS, and serial numbers. Contractor registry. The license status, solvency checks, and flags zombie contractors. Warranty registry. Equipment serial numbers, manufacturer confirmations. Lien filing. This is the UCC references, which essentially says you can't sell your home with this lien on it. It's going to create noise around that point of sale, and timestamps for priority. Warehouse eligibility. This is the single pledge gate. Before any pledge goes through, the contract checks, does this loan already exist? If yes, the transaction is blocked. These are the Ethereum smart contract if-then rules that we've talked about in class. This is 50 lines of code, and it prevents the entire category of fraud. And last, the securitization feed. This packages the verified data for the rating agencies. So here's the before and after. Today, buyer A checks their records. There's no conflict. Buyer B checks their records. There's no conflict. Both fund the same loan. With Clear, the system checks the entire ledger. The first pledge goes through. The second pledge, it's blocked. The loan is already recorded. That hash is similar. This is the check that would have stopped the 29,000 duplicates at Tricolor. Who are the stakeholders? These are the warehouse lenders, originators, servicers, trustees, rating agencies, and regulators. Everyone benefits from a single source of truth. I see this as going through in 3 different phases. Phase 1, installation verification and contractor registry, which is 3 to 4 months. Phase 2, double pledge prevention and API integration, 4 to 6 months. And Phase 3, securitization feeds and rating agency access. Total investment around $15 million over 18 to 24 months. Why hasn't this happened already? 3 barriers. 1, standards agreement. Everyone formats data differently. 2, governance model. Who runs the network? How are disputes resolved? 3, anchor members. You need the 3 to 5 likely largest major lenders to commit first. But the payback is really fast. One incident like Tricolor, which equated to 170 million, covers the entire build cost. But most importantly, it's standardized, it's on chain, it's verifiable, it's immutable, and this was a fantastic class. Any questions, please email me, and thanks for a great semester.